Hello YouTube. In this video we will be setting up and installing the 3D resumer from Eryone into my ANET A8. Welcome back. This is obviously the 3D resumer from Eryone, and obviously in the box you've got the device and USB cable. That's at USB to micro USB. That is all that came in the box. The rest of it is software. For the setting up of the 3D resumer, you need to go to a couple of websites. One of them is github.com/resumer3d/info, and this gives you this page, which you now need to download. And extract. Once you've done that, the second site you need to go to is this one. I will leave links down in the description for these sites, and you need to download whatever one corresponds with your operating system. They've got Windows 10, Windows 7 and 8, Windows XP, and obviously Mac and Linux and Android. Now all you need to do is go to the extracted files and to this toolbox.zip file, double click that and extract that to this directory. Close that, and there you've got box tool. Now what you need to do is get your 3D resumer and connect it to your PC or laptop with the provided mini USB cable. So the next thing you need to do is now plug in the resumer into the laptop. And as you can see, that comes up with a flashing blue OK button. Next thing to do is open up the toolbox.exe file. If you do get a warning, just ignore it and just open the file. If you refresh the COM port, open the port and then set the baud rate of your printer that you have. Now this does vary, but most commonly is 115200. It is for my ANET and other similar printers. Set baud rate, and that's that. The next thing we'll do now is move over to the printer to set it up. So this is my ANET A8. What we're going to do now is obviously connect up the 3D resumer. It's very simple. Use a USB cable from the printer, and that then plugs into the USB side here. Says. And we do need power, so we're going to use the provided micro USB cable connected to a USB source. So what I've now done to save time is load up some G-code, which is a standard 200mm by 200mm by 200mm cube, and got that printing. And now what we're going to do is turn the power off. and what I'll do is I'll move that out of the way. You don't have to, but I've done that. Now the next thing to do is obviously when the power resumes, you'll get a red light on the resumer. If you push that, that then goes blue again. And the printer starts heating back up again. And there you go. What it's done is it's honed the X and Y axis, heated the nozzle and the bed back up, and then moved over to the location that it stopped on and carried on printing. And that's how you set up software and hardware the 3D resumer from Eryone. If you like what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.